Most modern cars are engineered to last well beyond 100,000 miles. In fact, many are capable of reaching 200,000 miles or more without major mechanical failure. Yet in the real world, countless cars never make it that far. Not because they were poorly built, but because of everyday habits that quietly destroy them over time. In this video, we're breaking down the most common mistakes drivers make, often without realizing it, that dramatically shorten the life of their engine, transmission, and major components. These are the same failures mechanics see every day in workshops, and nearly all of them are preventable. Cold starts and instant throttle. One of the most damaging habits happens within seconds of starting your car. When an engine is cold, oil is thicker, and hasn't fully reached critical components like camshafts, bearings, and piston walls. Revving the engine or driving aggressively during this phase causes unnecessary metal-on-metal contact. A large portion of total engine wear happens during cold starts. The damage is microscopic at first, but repeated thousands of times, it adds up. The fix is simple. Let the engine idle for about 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently. Keep RPMs low until the engine reaches normal operating temperature. Using a high-quality synthetic oil also improves cold flow protection. Skipping scheduled maintenance. Your owner's manual is not a suggestion, it's a survival guide. Skipping scheduled maintenance creates a domino effect, where small issues turn into expensive failures. Old spark plugs lead to misfires. Degraded coolant corrodes internal passages. Dirty transmission fluid overheats and burns clutches. Manufacturers design service intervals based on real-world testing, not guesswork. Following the maintenance schedule doesn't just protect your car, it protects your wallet and resale value. Using the wrong engine oil. Not all engine oils are the same. Using the wrong viscosity or specification can cause poor lubrication, increased wear, and carbon buildup, especially in modern turbocharged and direct injection engines. Many drivers top off oil with whatever is available, mixing incompatible formulas. That reduces film strength and accelerates internal wear. Always use the oil grade and specification listed by the manufacturer. Pay attention to viscosity, synthetic requirements, and approval standards. Riding the brakes. Resting your foot on the brake pedal may feel harmless, but it causes constant drag. This overheats brake pads, warps rotors, increases fuel consumption, and forces unnecessary transmission downshifts. Over time, it shortens the life of the entire braking system. Maintain safe following distances, coast when possible, and fully release the brake pedal while driving. Ignoring warning lights. Dashboard warning lights are not reminders, they are alerts. Driving with a check engine light, oil pressure warning, or battery light is a gamble where the odds are never in your favor. A simple sensor issue can turn into catalytic converter failure. Low oil pressure can destroy an engine in minutes. Scan the car as soon as a warning light appears. Early diagnosis saves thousands. If this is making you rethink how you treat your car, make sure you're subscribed to Best Car Tips. We break down real-world car mistakes like this every week, so you can avoid expensive repairs before they happen. Cheap fuel and questionable additives. Low-quality fuel lacks detergents that keep injectors and valves clean. Over time, carbon buildup reduces efficiency and causes drivability issues. Random fuel additives can also do more harm than good, especially if they're not manufacturer-approved. Use quality fuel when possible, and avoid additives unless specifically recommended. Overloading your vehicle. Every car has limits. Exceeding payload or towing capacity stresses suspension, brakes, cooling systems, and transmissions. Repeated overloading leads to overheating, brake fade, cracked mounts, and premature drivetrain failure. Know your vehicle's payload and towing ratings and respect them. Delaying fluid flushes. Fluids do more than lubricate. They cool, clean, and protect internal components. Over time, fluids degrade and become corrosive. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid all have service intervals for a reason. Ignoring them accelerates wear and leads to expensive repairs. Ignoring small noises. Cars communicate through sound. Clicking, ticking, squeaking, and rattling are early warnings. Ignoring them often turns a minor repair into a major one. If something sounds different, investigate early. Neglecting tires. Tires affect braking, handling, suspension wear, and fuel economy. Poor tire maintenance accelerates wear across the entire vehicle. Rotate tires regularly, check pressure monthly, align yearly, and replace worn tires before they compromise safety. Letting the car sit too long. Modern cars suffer when left unused. Fuel degrades, batteries die, seals dry out, and rodents move in. If you store a car, use fuel stabilizer, maintain the battery, and drive it periodically. Final thoughts. Most cars don't fail because they're badly built. They fail because of small habits that add up over time. Change those habits, and your car has a real chance of reaching 100,000 miles. And far beyond. If this video helped you understand what actually shortens a car's life, like the video and subscribe to Best Car Tips. We post clear, honest car advice every week to help you keep your car running longer, without wasting money.